Okay, so as you can see, we have a great kitchen. We have the island, we have the cooktop, we have all of that. We have this, which we never use. It is a junk drawer full of junk that's hard to get to. So, it used to be a dishwasher, but with there's just two of us,
don't show me.
If there's just two of us eating, there's just two plates, two forks, two spoons, two spoons, two of everything. I can wash that in no time. Now, this down here looks like that because the man that is making me a drawer for this, and it's going to be a drawer that will fit my pots and pans. He is also making a small drawer for down there. And y'all are going to really be surprised about this. This is what I use to cook on. I cook my food on here or in here. So this under here hasn't even been used ever since we've had the RV, and even before, the other man never used it. So we're taking that out. This will become a drawer for utensils. That will be a drawer for something, and this will be a drawer for my pots and pans. I am so excited about this. He's coming tomorrow. Now I'm going to spin around and show you Tommy Green's mess. Look at this. You see all this over here? Oh, come on, lighten up. Okay, there it goes. So, this stuff right here is Tommy's stuff. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, it's just full of camera equipment. And then we've got stuff right here. And then we got stuff right here. And so, it's all over the top, as you can see. We also have something coming in here, and I cannot wait for y'all to see it. I am super excited. A man named Kevin, I met his wife at the Christmas tree, the Christmas house that we did a thing on, and mentioned to her about cabinetry, and her husband builds cabinets, and among other things. So anyway, I thought I would show y'all the before. That's the before, and this is the before. Just wait. I can't wait. Hope y'all like it. ready for the big reveal. Voila! Here is my butcher block cutting board. Look at this. Beautiful place for silverware, which before was just knobs on the front of a cooktop. And then look at this. Is this not amazing? And look at these new pots and pans. Look at this. No handles. Ta-da! Is that not amazing? To me, it's amazing. I love it. Okay, so you just take it off and put it back in there. It came with 6 pots, the lids, and all this stuff. I think it was $69. Look at this. Below this was just a piece of wood. Now look at that. That holds the bigger utensils. Is that not amazing? I also got a one-piece sink. It's very lightweight. It covers the sink, so I have extra places to prepare. I also have, of course, this came with the coach. I also have this. So I've got a lot of room in this kitchen to do what I want to do. Now, you know the one thing that, well, you might not know it, but Tommy and I fuss about this all the time, his junk. Be sure and put your junk picture in there right before you do this, okay? Now look at this. There's nothing on the floor. And look at this. He has his own drawers. These are all his drawers. He can do with them anything he wants. You can charge from up here. We've got a charging port there. He's got 4 drawers to fill up. And he has filled them up. Now, what we got to do is convince him to straighten them up so he has more room. But I hope you like the reveal that we've done. We love it. And I know I'm going to get some flack for taking out a dishwasher, but it's just 2 of us. It doesn't take much to wash dishes. And I never use the propane cooktop. I always use this and my oven. So, I'm very simple when it comes to cooking. That was it. I just didn't want this anymore, and I love it. So we hope you liked the big reveal of what we've done. If you do, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and check us out on TikTok and Instagram. And hit us up on our 1 million mile road trip. Tell us what you're doing to make your home yours. And we hope to see you on the road.